Today I'm going to show you how to make pickles out of cucumbers and bananas. In fall, it's canning season. You just need a few ingredients. The first ingredient is apple cider vinegar, raw honey, cold water, then some salt, garlic, and a red onion.
Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Custard, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Apache, jump on it, jump on it.
This is the really fun part. Now you get to slide your fork on the cucumber. Now your mom will cut the cucumber, the onion, and the garlic.
Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Custard, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it.
I have a pocket knife, so I'm gonna try to, and I cut trees with my pocket knife. So I'm gonna try to cut this.
Custard, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it.
Now you can smash it with your jar to get all the stuff.
Perfect.
Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Custard, jump on it, jump on it.
Mama.
No, honey. No, honey.
Apache, jump on it, jump on it.
They have to sit in the fridge for 24 hours. I hope that you love pickles as much as I do, because you know that I love pickles. Thanks for watching, and see you next week on Just Tuesday Tip.